Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neghin for those of you that are new, and for those of you that are returning, thank you so much. It is really weird to film an intro when I just filmed another video. So if you haven't seen the video that I'm talking about, it is what's in my makeup bag for travel, what's in my travel makeup bag, and how I pack my hair accessories. So that's the video I just filmed. And it's probably gonna be the first one of the two that go up. It should be, because otherwise this whole intro doesn't make sense. But what I was saying in that video is that I wanted to film, there's like two videos I had in mind. Actually, I really also wanted to film like how I pack, but I haven't even started packing, and I'm probably gonna do it tonight or tomorrow. Hopefully not tomorrow, because my anxiety will be out of control. I just won't have time to film that, so I really wanted to film the other two, which is the makeup one, and then what's in my travel purse. So I love when other people film these, and yeah, I decided to do it myself. What I was trying to say is that it was just really weird to like film that and then do the intro and film another one, because it's literally been 20 minutes. I just like repacked up my makeup bag, or actually I cleaned it and then repacked it and put that in my carry-on. So the makeup bag with all my makeup actually goes into my carry-on. So, oh, and something I realized I didn't say in my last video is that other than the brushes and beauty blenders that are missing from my makeup bag, it's also setting spray. So that is something I will have to add in there, because I realized it was not in there. Yeah, let's get into this video. This bag is so big, it's probably gonna take up the entire frame, but let me lift it up and show you. Oh. How beautiful is she? This is the Christian Dior. I believe it's called the Book Tote. So just a little background on the purse, because she makes me so happy. I think the Book Tote came out like 2 years ago. It was all over social media. I think they sent it like the who's who of influencers, and I really wanted it, but I held off for so long that the blue one, the original one, sold out. Then I was thinking, you know what, it's probably better this way. I don't need another travel bag. I already have like two that I love and adore. It's better this way. Then this print came out, and it's like the jungle print. I don't know how to explain it. It has like a bunch of animals on it, and I thought it was the most beautiful thing in the world. But they didn't make many of these, and it sold out within like 2.3 seconds. So that was that. I gave up on my dreams. And then about a month ago, actually not even, about 2.5 weeks ago, I was scrolling through the Reel, which I do like literally once a week, and I saw her, and she was like, it said like lightly used, basically brand new, comes with the box, the dust bag, all that. So I bought it, and it was full price, but I am so happy I have her. She is everything. Anyways, enough of that. You guys are probably thinking I'm insane because I'm talking about a purse. I'm gonna show you everything that is in here. This is the purse I carry when I'm traveling, and 95% of what I need in here is in here, and then there will be a couple things that I will add in. So a couple things is basically like my passport, my wallet, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put her on the ground, and then I just grab things from her as I go. So this is a Louis Vuitton, I think it's technically a makeup bag or a toiletry bag. This is actually one that was from my mom that I mentioned in my last video. So in here I have, this is like almost entirely full with the stuff I need. I still need to add a couple things in there, but I have this with all my vitamins in here. This is an empty like vitamin holder, or not even a holder, but this had my vitamins in it and only had a couple left in there. I was like, you know what, I might as well just put all the vitamins that I need in here. So that has all the vitamins I need. I also travel with ibuprofen. My perfume is in here. I decided to take the Chloe Love Story perfume with me. I don't know why, because I rarely use her, but I think maybe that's why. I have the Pixi On The Glow moisturizing stick. This is so important for travel. It like is life-changing because it's a stick, and you can just put it on, and it actually is so moisturizing and glowing. So that's highly recommended. I have my hand cream. I have the Indigo Soothing Hand Cream from Tote. Love that. I have my Erno Laszlo Memory Sleep Mask. I have been using this product for over 2 years. I want to say it's the first product that I tried from the brand. This is their travel portion. I think their full-size version is TSA approved, but this is the travel. I have it in here so I can lather my face in this. Yeah. Then I also have a small restorative body cream from Orbe. I just really like the scent of this. If you can see with the light, I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually almost empty. Then I have 2 chapsticks. I have my Moroccan Oil Hydrating Sun Protection Lip Balm with an SPF 20, and then my Laneige Grapefruit Lip Glowing Balm. So important. I have to always have hydration. And then I have this like cleaning cloth. I don't know why that's in there. But anyways, that is everything that's in here right now. I still need to add a couple more things in here, like a makeup wipe, because even though I don't put on makeup before I travel, before I go through like my nighttime routine, I just like to take a cleansing makeup wipe and take off all my makeup. So I have to put that in here. I have to put, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm missing so much. I have to actually think about this. So I'm gonna also put my, actually I'm not taking this vlogging, I'm using my vlogging camera to record this video right now, and I'm actually not taking it with me, which is crazy, because I was about to say that's gonna go in here, but it's not. Yeah, and then probably just like my wallet, my passport, and like the stuff that's normally in my day-to-day bag. So that will go in here. Next up, I am reading You Are a Badass. So I have that in here, and then I'm also taking The Gifts of Imperfection with me because I'm almost done with this book. So that gives me another book to start and possibly finish on vacation. I have my laptop in here, ready to go, fully charged. Hopefully can get some work done on this trip. Let's see. I'm really trying this trip to disconnect because I've been dealing with a lot of like personal stuff and a lot of anxiety, and that's a whole nother video and a whole nother topic that I don't even know if I'm fully ready to talk about. But so I don't know if I'm gonna get work done, but more so for the fact that I just feel like I really need to disconnect and focus on myself and my sanity and health and happiness and spend quality time with my husband. But I also know I have a lot of work to do, so I'm taking it with me. So this is the reason I'm not taking the vlogging camera that I'm using right now, is because I got this camera and I'm so excited to be using it. I have not used it yet, but this is the Osmo DJI Pocket, I believe that's what it's called. Smallest little vlogging camera I ever did see. So I just got this from Amazon like 2 days ago. I already set it up and I put the SD card in there, and yeah, that's that. And then these have the cords, and then I have like memory card reader and an extra memory card. So that is gonna go in my purse with me because I need to vlog. So that goes in my purse. Basically the way I pack is anything that I think I'm gonna need while on the plane, I put in this purse. And then all my other really important and expensive stuff go in my carry-on. And what else goes in my carry-on is always clothes. I always try to keep a couple outfits in my carry-on with me just in case like my luggage gets lost. So carry-on includes clothes, my makeup bag, but mainly because my makeup bag's expensive, so not so much because I need all the makeup with me. But it's not only my makeup bag, my clothes, like an extra pair of shoes, and that's everything. And then whatever else I have that's either like important or expensive, like my bags. So yeah, that goes in my carry-on. Then next up in here is actually my jewelry. I'll either keep this in my purse or in my carry-on because I don't technically need this with me, but it goes in my carry-on because some of it's expensive and some of it's not. But either way, I don't want to lose it. But like for example, in here I have my Dior tribal earrings. Then I have like my scorpion necklace from Vanessa Mooney. This isn't expensive, but all my accessories are in here. This actually isn't even an accessories holder. This is from the brand Rodin Oleolusso. They sent one of their moisturizers in this, but then I thought because it's like a hard case, I mean you can't tell, but like it's protected. Like it's soft but hard, and all my jewelry is protected. So I thought it would actually be a great way to store my jewelry. I do have an actual travel jewelry holder, but this just made more sense for me because I don't need the other one. So some other things that I have in here, for example, are blah 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 earrings, free people earrings. Basically what I do is everything is in its own baggie so it doesn't get tangled or mixed up, and that way I also don't have to look for a pair. So if I find like, I'm like, oh, I want to wear these hoop earrings, I just pull out the bag that they're in. I don't have to be searching for the other half of it. So yeah, a bunch of accessories in here. Okay, and then last but not least, that's already packed in here, is this Chanel travel bag. This is actually for my laptop, but my laptop doesn't fit in there. So that was not smart buying, but it's okay because I like everything. As you can see, everything's in a case, and that's kind of how I am in general, but especially when I travel. So it actually kind of works out because I put like everything in packages anyways. But in here are all the electronic stuff, minus this that I just wanted in here because it's protected, and I also didn't know where else to put it. But this is my Ricky Loves Ricky, one of my mirrors. Oh, has fingerprints all over it. But I like this because you can use it as a handheld mirror, as voila. So I literally put my finger through here. Oh, my ring is stuck, hold on. And hold the mirror into my makeup. And then it also lights up, as you can see. So, oh, it's so bright. And then you can hand hold it, or you can put it on a stand. So very important to have that when I travel. I also do have a discount code for Ricky Loves Ricky / Glamcore, so I will leave that below. I have my handy dandy charger. I have my adapter. I have, well, that's for the Osmo Pocket. I have my external battery, like an extra charge, my external hard drive, and then I have this, but I don't know why I have this in here because I won't be using that. But that's the clicker for my iPhone when I'm taking pictures of myself by myself. And then my laptop charger. So that is everything that's in this pocket that goes in here, and that is everything in there. So again, this is like 95% of everything that I keep on me when I travel, minus like the stuff that's in my actual purse right now that needs to go in here. Like I said, cell phone, wallet, passport, and stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, I am running so late. I need to head out. I have so many errands to do, and I have an eyelash extension appointment in about an hour and a half. So hopefully I can get all my errands done before that, but if not, I can obviously do it after. So yeah, that wraps up this video. Someone's coming in through the door, so don't mind that. But make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.